guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Andrew 17. So today, we will be opening up this Disney Tsum's mystery stack pack. So, I'm gonna guess who it is first, and then we're gonna open it. So, here's all the 15 collectibles you can get, and I think it's gonna be Olaf. If it is Olaf, I'm gonna be so proud because I really want Olaf. So there is Susie, Alien Angel, Chip, Ariel, Hero, Anger, Olaf, Jimmy Cricket, Buzz Lightyear, Sven, Cinderella, Eeyore, Queen of Hearts, and Mickey. So now I'm gonna open it. So let's open it up. Now let's see who we got. We got Hero. I thought it would be Olaf, but anyways, I like Hero. Let's open this up. And this is my first ever Tsum, so here he is. I think I'm supposed to build it. Like, I don't know how to build it. Let me just look at the picture. That's how you build it. I'll be right back whenever I'm finished building it. So I found out how to build it. And it's been like almost 10 minutes or 20 minutes that I learned how to build it. So here, I'm going to show you up close of Hero. So here he is on the Tokyo Bridge. Purple seat. Here's the back. Please like this video. Subscribe if you want. Please like this video if you want more videos like this, and please subscribe to my channel and other channels like Adriana Artrega, Jayden Cardoza, Gaming with Jayden Cardoza, and LOLZ23. So yeah, I'll try to put them in the description box below. So bye guys.